skint, ball-ragged, pockets full of my fingers, can't afford to burn toast and it's November. Christmas is close. I've been away but now I'm back and every corner's a different colour cause I'm home and memories are painted with mischief. I'm outside Greg's eating a macaroni pie and a busker picks up his guitar and plugs in his amplifier. The sound for the strings is like frost. He's young and the dreams that were born in his bedroom wake me up. I'm watching people passing it and they know that he's good but they don't want to look. They turn their heads and tilt their ears and jog on. If I had a spare pound I would throw it but I don't. So I just listen. I'd like to tell him that this is it. This is where the hammer hits the stain and sparks are made. Standing on a corner in your home town, an audience of one rag eating a macaroni pie. But singing, wee man, you're singing.